Welcome everyone. I am really glad that you're watching today because I have something very special to show you. A couple months ago I shared with you my first ever bloopers, and today I am going to share with you my Bloopers Act 2. I enjoy this cooking channel so much, but I will tell you I do have a lot of bloopers and outtakes, and so I have enough to make a second bloopers video, so that's what I'm going to do today. But real quickly, I just want to kind of give you a little bit behind the scenes and just explain to you how I even got started and maybe even answer some of the questions that I have been asked. I started the 1st of February of this year, 2019, not having any idea what I was doing. I just watched YouTube videos on how to start a YouTube channel, and I just decided to go for it. Here in just a second, I'm just going to show you kind of what I started with, but I do this all on my phone. I have an iPhone 7 Plus, and that is what I film with. And there's an app in the iPhone, it's the iMovie. That's where I do all my editing. And then I just upload my videos directly from my phone. So if I can do it, believe me, anybody can do it. But this is just something I had thought about doing for a very long time, and I just decided I was either going to do it or just quit thinking about it. So I just decided, why not just give it a try? And I will say that it has been such a blessing, and I have been so encouraged by everyone just supporting me. And as of right now, I have 243 subscribers. So thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed to my channel. I truly, really do appreciate that. As YouTube, the goal is to get to 1,000, so I have a ways to go, but that's okay. If I never reach that, then so be it. It's just been a lot of fun sharing with you the recipes that I cook in my home. And that's truly what I do. When I make the skillet meals, we eat that for dinner. A lot of these recipes are things I have been cooking for years. Some of them are new, some of them I just make up on the spot. I have done that on a few of them. Some of them, I don't even know if they're gonna turn out, but they do, so it just all works out. But it's been a lot of fun being able to do this for you. So let me show you really quickly just a little bit of the equipment and what I used when I first started. Okay, so when I first started, this was my tripod. Oh, I just have 2 popcorn tins and a very small little tripod that held my iPhone. And so then my husband did go and get me this tripod, which it is adjustable. And I will put the link below of what this is. It does collapse, and I do really like it. It does the whatever this is what holds my phone. It will kind of go up and down and just gives me different angles that I can shoot from. So that is my tripods. Oh, and then I have this lens that one of my friends has let me use, and it just makes the, here, I'll show you, let's see if I can do this. See the difference? It just makes the angle of the shot wider. Okay, so let's roll this, I want to say, beautiful bean footage. Okay, the potato crisps, not crisps, they're not crisps, they are stacks. They're called stacks. I'm reading, and please hit the steaming hot. Breakfast on for and delicious. And don't be scared because it's green. Green is beautiful. I'm just saying. I'm gonna try it. Just because it's green doesn't mean it's bad. With is Okay, my skillet chicken corn dog. I keep wanting to say corn dog. Okay, my skillet chicken corn. See, and what it is chicken corn dog. I was doing so good. Put them in your freezer and save them for a rainy day. Is that recording? Okay.
Oh goodness, okay.
Take two.
I could do that.
Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I mean, I'm rolling, but okay.
Oh, that is good.
Enjoy learning. I've already said that. Let's see. I've already said that. Oh, I just messed that up.
Slice of tomato.
Hold on, let me redo this. I'm gonna redo this. Okay, I really hope that you enjoyed all my bloopers and outtakes. It's a lot of fun being able to share that with you. As always, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. And I just want to say thank you to all of you who have shared my videos on Facebook. That helps me so much. And I just want to tell you, I really, really do appreciate that. It reaches a lot more people than I can reach just on my Facebook page. So it helps when you share those videos. So help me to grow my channel. And I will see you soon. I've got a lot of really good recipes coming up, so I'm really, really excited. So until next time, have a wonderful day.